Happy birthday! Sorry, I'm not feeling well. Happy birthday! Or ate.
Thank you, guys!
Yes. Ilang buwan ka na po? Nakalimutan ko na. Lost track. Then, we love her. And I said this. I think I'm allowed to read this, diba? I think birthday message ko sa kanya. Na this is my birthday message last night. Kasi, not feeling well, pasensya. That's life. And, kasi nakaganito, okay. Siyempre, hindi ko naman, ito, late mo ako sinagot ate
Sorry na.
Ano ko pinadala, but sinabi ko sa kay Miles na, ate, I'm about to sleep, so hindi aabot sa midnight. When you became my daughter in our teleserye, so, di ba, ikaw si Precious? Tama ba ako?
No,
Yeah.
yes.
Yes, ikaw si Precious. That is Robin and Anne. Okay? Little did I know that after 8 years in real life, you really would be someone I considered as my daughter. Really, as my daughter. You bring so much love and appreciation into my life and Bim's life. You remind us to be grateful. You show me that I have so much more love in my heart to give. You make me happy to take care of you because you express to all of us how thankful you are. And never have we felt that you abuse our generosity. For the rest of your life, you are MCA, Miles Cojuangco Aquino. I love you, ate. Never doubt that through it all, we are already family. We love you. Happy 24th birthday. Or
We love you so much.
I just have one request.
What?
Dapat lumabas to in its entirety.
Mama,
Nung
what?
24 naging nanay ako, utang na loob, huwag mo ako gayahin. Please? Okay?
Yes po, nanay.
Yes. And yung mag-aral. Kasi yung lahat ho ng videos that we put out sa interview with him, she edited that. And so, she really has an eye. So I feel that it will start with editing, and I know that she can become one of our really good directors kasi she started as a child actress. So, dapat pagpatuloy niya yun. Sana si Nurse na may talent. Pinupuri ko na may talent. Yes. Oo. And yung mga nagalit sa akin, huwag kayong magalit kasi naka-iPhone 12 Max sila, okay? So, para gumaling sila. Oh, and I think naman, this nurse, si Nurse Bianca, magaling na. The other nurse, not so, but magaling siya mag-inject. At she takes care of all my medicine. So, we can't have it all. Okay? So, kanya-kanyang talent dito. And si Ate Miles talaga is really part of our family.
Yeah.
And we've been through it all together. And I think na right then for the rest of our lives,
What, Mama?
she's part of our family.
Of course.
And we love her.
As long as she doesn't get pregnant.
I don't think she will. Okay? Yeah. And
I love you.
yes. And talagang, kaming tatlo talaga, we've kept this quiet kasi we want to keep things for ourselves naman. But for a long time, kaming tatlo yung roommates talaga. Sila yung bantay ko. Pero ngayon, humiwalay ako kasi hindi ko talaga kaya. Kasi si Bim gusto yung aircon. What's your temperature?
7.
20!
Wow.
Oh, yung 17.
Excuse
No.
me, nanay? Me?
You!
Yeah. Kasi-
Not me.
Hindi, nagsabi siya na 17. Tapos sinabi niya, Nay, hindi ko na talaga
No,
kaya.
I said 20.
No, that's your compromise. But gusto ni Bim talaga super,
Higher.
yeah, Arctic level na ginaw. Ako talaga, hindi ko talaga kaya. Ang ginaw. Nung lumabas na ako, nag-change ako ng area. Talagang gusto ni Bim, Antarctica. Tapos, si Ate Miles sa sobrang bait, pumunta na lang sa akin at nagsabi, na hindi ko na kaya.
Uy, nanay.
Hindi, sabi niya, pwedeng humingi na lang ako ng extra. Kasi I'm sorry po alam ko it's the peak of summer pero sobra ako talagang giniginaw. So kagabi I slept with 3 blankets, 22 yung temperature. Pero ngayon na daytime, 2 blankets lang, na weighted blankets. But each blanket is 12 pounds. So ngayon 24 pounds yung nakapatong sa akin. So kagabi 36 pounds ang nakapatong sa akin. So siya ngayon, pinadalan ko na rin ng weighted blanket. Sila yung magkasama with Nurse Bianca. And sino pa kasama nyo? Jane?
Wala, that's it.
Kayong tatlo lang?
Yeah.
Ayun. I don't know. Why? They don't like being with you?
Yeah.
Oh.
The Jane.
That Jane.
Jane.
That Jane. Yeah. So anyway, Jane, we're trying to keep the privacy of our hosts. Kasi they've been really good to us. But we've been here, we've been safe, we've been healthy for the past month. And we're gonna be here for a while. And she gave me the sweetest message possible. Ang birthday wish lang daw niya is I get my yes. We're all praying for that yes. When I get that yes, and I pray, you pray with me, we get that yes, paalam ko sa inyong lahat. Okay, so for now, it's Miles' day, and it's Labor Day. May 1 is also the birthday of Ate Miles. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, my darling.
Thanks, guys!
Yeah, pero maligo na kayong dalawa. Okay? And it's all rest. And dahil minamigrate po ako that baba na natin yan. Kasi may... Oh, and I'm gonna rest now. Love you all. Happy birthday to... Grabe, 2013 yon, so 8 years ago, siya yung naging panganay kong daughter. I have never had a daughter, but now I do. I have a daughter. Okay.
And I have a sister.
And Bim has a sister. Love you. Bye-bye. Bye. Good night. Sick na ako. Time check. Baka nawi-weirdan kayo. 4:30 p.m. Pero pagod na po ako. Hindi ko na i-reveal ko ano na lang ang timbang ko kasi baka ma-freak out kayo. Pero I'm working on that next week. Slowly but surely. It's a promise.
Muscles.
Not muscles. We'll work. Can you see your cake? Ang galing naman. Paano napadala yan dito?
That Jane.
Ay,
That
cute.
Jane din.
Oh, see?
Careful.
Nice.
Delicate.
Oh, there.
Thanks,
Cute.
guys!
Roses. Cutie. Oh. And then Bim had a gift. I had a gift. Pero yung kay Bim, ibawas mo sa savings niya. Love you.
Thank you, guys!
What's your message for her?
Ano lang, have an awesome life, have an awesome love life, have awesome everything.
Yes, we love her.
Love you, guys! Thank you!
Yes, and my wish naman for her talaga is that she will finish her studies in UP, that she will also feel like she's very much loved. And yun, I really hope na yung career path niya will follow that of Direct Tonette, Direct Irene, and malay natin umabot kay Direct Joyce Bernal. Love you, ate.
Love you, Mama.
Bye!